Today we start plant growth and mineral nutrition. Now, in plant growth, there is a various growth hormones are used. The term hormones coined by Starling in 1906 in Animal Physiology. The internal factors influences growth are called growth hormones or growth regulators. The growth promoters are auxin, gibberellins and cytokinins. But growth inhibitors in plants are ethylene, abscisic acid. Now, the scientists Thyman and Pincus in 1948 plant hormones are organic substances produced naturally in higher plants affecting growth. Hormones are transported through phloem parenchyma because the phloem are the living tissues, according to the scientist Phillips 1971. Now, the growth hormones, the first growth hormones are the auxins. Auxin means to grow. The scientist F. W. Wendt 1931. The term auxins are observed. Now, auxin isolated from urine of a person suffering from pellagra. The natural auxin is indole acetic acid. Tryptophan, there is a primary precursor of indole acetic acid in plants. In hormones, it should be required first there is a cell elongation. The use of growth hormones auxin, there is a elongation of cell. Then polar transport, that is there is a basipetal transport in stem. Now synthetic auxin like indole butyric acid, that is IBA. NAA, there is a naphthalene acetic acid. 2,4-D pichloro, that is phenoxyacetic acid are used. All this there is a synthetic auxin. Now, the growth hormones auxin, there is a some physiological effects and there is a application of auxin. First, it should be showing the cell enlargement. Increase the cell elongation, there is a cell enlargement. Second, there is a apical dominance, that is there is a growing of apical buds towards the lateral buds. Third, multiplication of the cell, that is the cell division. It should be required the tissue culture experiment, formation of callus. Fourth, it kills dicot weeds. Fifth, produce seedless fruit, that is induce parthenocarpy. Example, orange, lemon, grapes, banana, etc. It promotes cell division in cambium and cause early differentiation of xylem and phloem. 7. Root elongation in low concentration but shoot at higher concentration. It prevents formation of abscission layers. It increases the rate of respiration. It breaks dormancy in seed and promote quick germination.